To create a bootable microSD card with the Astroberry operating system, there are three primary steps. The first step is to download and extract the Astroberry OS image. The second is to download and install the Raspberry Pi imager. And finally, to write the Astroberry OS image to the microSD card using the Raspberry Pi imager. So first thing you have to do is open up your web browser and go to astroberry.io. I have that open here. Scroll down until you see the large orange download button. Click that. Allow it time to download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel. Then you need to go to raspberrypi.org/software. Scroll down and press the download for Windows button, or if you're on another OS, you'll need to use those. I already have it installed. I'm going to cancel that too, but it goes pretty quick. Once you have both of those downloaded, they should show up in your downloads folder. You're going to need to extract the Astroberry server image. If you see the type here, it says compressed zipped folder. Your version of Windows should have native support for unzipping files. So when you right click on it, you can press extract all. And then you should get a file that looks like this. It will say disk image file. This is the file that we're going to write to the SD card. This installer here is the Raspberry Pi imager. So you need to run that. Once that's finished, leave that checkbox checked and it will open up. Press Choose OS, scroll down to Use Custom Image. Then select the image file you extracted. Press the Choose Storage button. Select your storage device. And finally, press the Write button.